Hello and welcome to English Language and Literature. Let us discuss how to prepare for TOEFL exams. Here are simple and effective strategies, practice examples, and vocabulary tips to help you prepare for the exam. Here is what you need to know. Understand the TOEFL format. Practice time management. Improve reading and listening skills. Learn new vocabulary every day. Improve writing skills. Take practice tests. Get feedback and improve. Be aware of the TOEFL format. Know the four sections of the test: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Learn what to expect. Tip number two: practicing time management is very important. Each section is timed. Practice working under time pressure so you don't run out of time. Do you know how to understand different accents and topics? Read English articles and listen to English podcasts or news daily. This is how you can improve reading and listening skills. It is time to record yourself or talk to a friend in English. Write short essays on different topics and check your grammar. This is how you can practice speaking and writing tasks. Vocabulary can help in all four TOEFL sections. Learn a new word every day. Make a list of useful words. Understand the meaning and use them in sentences. If you want to feel more confident on test day, take a practice test. Made a mistake? No worries. Learn from them and adjust your study plan. Ask a friend or a teacher to review your answers. Get feedback and improve. Let us try some practice examples. Let us try a sample question. Read the passage. Many species of birds migrate south during the winter months to find warmer climates and more abundant food sources. Question: why do birds migrate south during winter? The answer can be to find warmer climates and more food. A listening test can be an audio situation where a student talks to a librarian about extending a book loan, and the questions and answers can be based on same. Speaking test: describe your favorite place to study and explain why you like it. My favorite place to study is the library because it is quiet and helps me concentrate. I also like that I can find books and resources easily. An example of a writing test can be: do you prefer learning online or in a classroom? Give reasons for your answer. A sample response can be as follows: I prefer learning in a classroom because I can ask questions directly and interact with classmates. It helps me stay focused and motivated. What are the top vocabulary tips for TOEFL? Learn academic words. Focus on academic English. Words like analyze, interpret, significant, evident, and assume often appear in reading and listening sections. Learn 5 to 10 new words a day. Use a word list. Study from TOEFL vocabulary lists like Barron's or Academic Word List. Use apps. Make flashcards. Create flashcards with a word, definition, synonym, example sentence, and pronunciation. Do not just memorize, practice in context. Work with themes and categories, like group words by theme and study the words in categories like science, art, economics, environment, etc. This helps you remember them better. Writing down unfamiliar words helps build vocabulary. Read and listen daily. Read short news articles or listen to podcasts. Have you tried learning word forms? Try to know different forms of words. For example, analyze, analysis, analytical, which is a verb, a noun, and an adjective. Review and repeat. Review old words every few days to keep them fresh in your mind. Thank you for watching.